Hey guys, today I'll be showing you different ways to multiply two numbers. So, how many ways do you know to multiply two numbers? 1, 2, 3. Well, guess what? Today I'll be showing you 7 different ways. So, let's begin. First up, we have the lattice method. In this method, we're going to multiply 346 into 12. So, what we're going to do is we're going to place 3, 4, 6 and 1 and 2. So, 346 into 12. Now, what we're going to do is now multiply these numbers. So, 6 into 1, that'll give us 0, 6. 6 into 2, that'll give us 1, 2 or 12. 4 into 1, that'll give us 0, 4. And 4 into 2, that'll give us 0, 8. 3 into 1, that'll give us 0, 3. And 3 into 2, that'll give us 0, 6. Now, we'll just sum up these numbers in the columns diagonally. So, we have 2, that'll remain 2. 6 plus 1 plus 8, that'll give us 15. But since we can't write 15 here, we'll carry 1 here and write 5 here. So, now here we'll have carry 1 plus 4 plus 6. That'll be 1 plus 4 plus 6. That'll give us 11. So again, we can't write 11 here. So we'll put carry 1 here and 1. So we have carry 1 plus 3. That is 4. So we have our answer as 4152 or 4152. Next up, we have the grid method. In this method, we're going to split the units and the tens place. So we're going to split 35 as 30 and 5. And 26 as 20 and 6. So we're going to multiply 30 into 20, 600, 30 into 6, 180, 5 into 20, 100, and 5 into 6, 30. Now we'll add up these four numbers. So 600 plus 100 plus 180 plus 30, that will be 910. Next up, we have the split method. In this method, we're going to keep halving the left-hand side column while doubling the right-hand side column. And in case we get to decimal place while halving the left-hand side column, we're just going to floor it. So we have 11 halved 5.5 floored 5, 5 halved 2.5 floored 2, 2 halved 1. And then we have 3, 6, 12, 24, which are all doubled. Now what we're going to do is we're going to remove which number is even in the left hand side column. So we're going to remove 12 since 2 is even. And then we're going to use 3, 6 and 24 to get our answer. 3 plus 6 plus 24, that's equal to 33. Next up, we have the Egyptian method. In this, what we're going to do is in the left hand side column, starting from 1, we're going to keep doubling numbers. And we're going to stop when we know the next number will be greater than the number we have here, that is 25. So we're going to go 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Stop here because 32 will be greater than 25. And over here we're going to go 42, 84, 168, 336 and 672. So in the right hand column, we're going to start from whichever number we have here and keep doubling it. Then what we're going to do is we're going to find any number set of numbers which add up to 25. So here we're going to use 16, 8 and 1. So 16, 8 and 1. And we're going to use the numbers here. So 42 plus 336 and 672 will give us an answer, that is 1050. Next up, we have the stick method. In this method, we're going to use sticks to represent the number. So 1 and 3 and 1 and 2. So 13 into 12. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to count the number of intersections in this part, and this part. So 1 intersection here, that'll give 1. 3 plus 2 intersections here, that'll give us 5. And 6 intersections here, that'll give us 6. So 13 into 12, that's equal to 156. Next up, we have the exploding dots method. In this, we're going to represent numbers in the form of dots. So 23 will be 2 and 3. So 2 into 10 and 3 into 1. And this will be 1 into 10 and 2 into 1. This is the tens place, units place. Okay. So now we're going to represent our answer in the answer box. That is this. Okay, the bottom one. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put 2 patterns in the end, right, of 2 and 3, that's 23 at the end, and 1 pattern in the start. So we'll have 1 pattern, 2 patterns, and 3 patterns. Now if you count the dots, it'll be 2, 7, and 6. So our answer is 276. Next up, we have the Vedic math method. In this, our rule is 1, x, and 1. So you'll understand about this rule, but all we need to know is that we start from the right hand side. Our question is 22 into 13. So what we're going to do here is 2 into 3, and the rule was 1. So 2 into 3, that'll give us 6. Next was x, right? So we're going to do 2 into 3 plus 2 into 1. That'll give us 8. Next, the final one. That'll be 2 into 1. That'll give us 2. So the answer is 22 into 13 is equal to 286. Well, why do these methods work? Well, that's up to you to find out. So put that in the comments box, and also don't forget to tell me which method you like the most. Now until next time, bye.